Hello guys, and today I will show you how to generate a random number every launch, means whenever you launch a program. So first thing, we need to include additional header file. Header file name is stdlib.h. If you are in C, you need to use this header file, but if you are in C++, you can still use that, but there is one more header file which is similar to it, is cstdlib. Okay, and this contains the method called rand, which will give us a random number between 0 and its max. So let me just print this. Now whenever you print this, it will just give a same number cause it has the seed of 0 or something. And just a new line, I'm just gonna print it twice. Well, if I compile this now, I will get two random numbers, and if you run this every time, you will get the same cause it has the same seed, so it will generate the same number. But if you want new numbers, you can just seed it with function called srand. This takes an integer, and let's say if you give it 56, so now it will generate two new random numbers. Well, it generated two new random numbers, but you run it again, you get the same numbers. So how do you get a new seed every time you run the program? So the easy answer is you can use the system time in milliseconds. So to use this, we need to include one more header file called time.h. If you're in C, you have to use that header file, but if you are in C++, you can use C time instead, or you can use that also. So this method over here, which is selected, this will return the system time in milliseconds, and this will give it to srand in integer, and srand will take it and give us a new set of random numbers every time we launch the program. So if you see, compile and run, and here are the two new random numbers. Run it, and you get random numbers. But as you can see, there are random numbers, but not the range what I want, which is between 5 to 15. So you can just do that with dividing the rand function and getting the remainder. As you can see, I have did it. Now this will generate the number between 0, including 0 and excluding 10, means 0 to 9. So to make this 5 to 15, we just have to add in 5. So this will be including 5 and excluding 15, means till 14. So let me do it with other rand also, and this time I want range of 5 to 20. I can do it with adding it in brackets plus plus 5. Where is the plus sign? Yeah. And if I compile this, I will get a number between, first number is between 5 to 14 including both, and the second number is between 5 to 20 or excluding 20 and including 5. So if I run this like 3 or 4 times, you can see it generates a random number every time, unless you click it twice or thrice at same time, but that won't happen. Yeah, and this is it. you can make games out of it. It may be helpful. And as always, thank you for watching. Stay creative and consider subscribing.